Hi friends, welcome to Triple E Students YouTube channel. In the last video we are discussing about the negative feedback of a closed loop transfer function of a negative feedback. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the transfer function of a positive feedback. So this is the block diagram we already discussed in the negative feedback, but the change here, the difference between the negative and positive feedback is the feedback signal is connected to positive sign in the error detector. Okay, the feedback signal is connected to a positive sign, then the feedback is positive feedback. Okay, from this we already discussed about all the signals presenting in this. Okay, from this we are going to write that B of S is equals to, similar to that one, C of S into H of S. Let it be equation 1. Okay, and coming to the equation 2, error signal E of S is equals to R of S plus B of S. Here R of S plus B of S. Why? Because the B of S signal is given to the positive signal which is from the feedback signal. Okay, let it be equation number 2. And third equation is for the particular, for the individual path block, what is the output? C of S is equals to, input for this block is E of S. So E of S into G of S. Let it be equation 3. Okay, now substitute the first equation in equation 2. Okay, substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So what we get here? So E of S is equals to R of S plus C of S into H of S. Okay, let it be the equation 4. Okay, now this is the equation 3. So we have C of S equals to E of S into G of S. Now substitute that equation 3 in equation 4. Okay, substitute equation 3 in equation 4. We can do the similar mechanism what we are use in the negative feedback. We use the same mechanism in the positive feedback. Okay, so now substitute the thing. So E of S is equals to R of S plus, what is the value of C of S? E of S into G of S into H of S. Okay, pass cheyegi. Okay students, we have done a small mistake here. So in equation 3 is C of S, we have C of S. Okay, so we substitute the E of S value here. Okay, substitute equation 4 in equation 3. Now what we got from that? See here, so C of S is equals to E of S into G of S. Okay, now we can substitute the E of S value here. What happens? So E of S is R of S plus C of S into H of S. So in the place of C of S, R of S into H of S, substitute equation 4 in equation 3. Okay, so C of S equal to R of S, C of S, H of S into G of S. Okay, into G of S. Now solve this one. What we have got? R of S into G of S plus G of S, H of S, C of S. Okay, now send the C of S term to this side. So C of S minus G of S, H of S, C of S is equals to R of S, G of S. Okay, by taking C of S common, what we got? 1 minus H of S, G of S, that is equals to R of S, G of S. Okay, now we know already what is the transfer function here. So transfer function here is output is C of S, input is R of S. It is already Laplace transformed. So C of S by R of S is the transfer function. So send this R of S to this side. C of S by R of S is equals to G of S by 1 minus G of S into H of S. So this is the final transfer function for the positive feedback. Okay, at the finally I can differentiate both feedbacks to you. So positive feedback, negative feedback. So positive feedback is transfer function C of S by r of s is equals to g of s by, when it is positive the denominator have negative, okay. When compared to the positive, c of s by r of s, that is equals to g of s by, if it is negative here we use the plus symbol. So small change. So these are the transfer function of the positive feedback, and this one is the transfer function of the negative feedback. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.